What's up? Check it out. Pretty damn close. I could go closer, but I'm not gonna. I'm fine right here. If nobody else likes it, I don't care. Intermodal. Gotta let it. I apologize for the cars crossing in front of me, but these guys are all in a rush. I could give a crap less. I'm going to my crappy dialysis appointment. This dude finally decided to get in front of me. And a turd. Definitely the turd. But, yep. Those Z-Factor Zims are pretty cool. Not seen those before. I love my impromptu railfanning within the warm safety of my car and or the cool air of the car. Sitting down, heated seats. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, and another thing, I hope everybody has a lovely day. And tomorrow I will be getting my parathyroid surgery. And that's the end. I'll talk at you later. Have a great day.